Alright, so this is your mandible, right? Your lower jaw, okay? And the muscle that's running just straight between the two of them here, this first upper part, this is your intermandibular, okay, between your mandibles. Alright, that's in this picture right there, intermandibular. Alright, when you pull back the layer of skin, you can see the connective tissue still coming off there. Actually, just gonna, okay, give me the willy still. There's this first layer of muscle, right? This one is your interhyoid. The hyoid is like a bone that's running sort of like right here, okay? The hyoid. So, if we pull back our intermandibular and our interhyoid, we should be able to see the muscle underneath, okay? So we just flip it back, we separate connective tissue. Okay. Now, what you can see here, this big chunky guy right here, this is your brachiohyoid. Okay, if hyoid is here, running along the middle, then your branchioles are back here. This is the brachiohyoid. Okay? Right here, running along your hyoid, is your geniohyoid. Think of genio like, beginning or something. Okay? Geniohyoid, brachiohyoid, interhyoid, intermandibular. Okay?